Hey guys, I'm gonna be heading to a call. I was here about said a couple days ago and found out a leak. The unit had a leak in the evaporator coil. So I went ahead and placed the order for the evaporator coil. They just called me that the evaporator coil just arrived at the local parts house that I have here in the valley. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that coil up. I'm gonna be swapping out the accumulator also, capillary tube, evaporator coil, and new dryer on the system. It's for a true prep table. Let's see how this call goes, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, working on a true prep table. Model number TSSU-60-16. I'm gonna be replacing the evaporator coil. The evaporator is leaking. I got the evaporator out already. I'm also gonna be swapping out the accumulator. I'm gonna be putting a new cap tube in the system. Stay tuned. Okay, got the accumulator braced in, the cap tube already ready. This is an old coil here. It's probably looking here, or it might even have multiple leaks in it. Okay guys, just finished with this coil install. So replace the cap tube. I'll go ahead and tie that up right there a little better. Install the new dryer. As you can see, these are my final pressures. Let's check the temperature inside the box. Got about 37 degrees. Hey guys, just finished with that coil install. I couldn't get too much of a video. You guys were kind of busy in the kitchen, so I had to push it. Everything came out good. Unit was like about 37 degrees, 35 around there. Compressor was cycling off at 35 or so. Yeah, 34, 35 degrees. Fortunately, I couldn't get a good video of it, of the finishing product with the system. But yeah, I couldn't get. This is just how it goes sometimes with refrigeration. You gotta sometimes hurry up or hurry. You got a lot of people in the kitchen trying to push you, and to hurry and finish because you gotta start the cooking and all that. So maybe I can catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll keep some more videos coming. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay, peace.